Safety instrumented system design basis development usually requires references to a lot of different documents that are outside of the scope of the safety instrumented system itself. These will include things like P&IDs, process flow diagrams, instrument specifications, safety manuals, test procedures. While Vertigo does not set itself up to be a document management system, it's important to be able to know which documents are associated with different sensors and final elements and instrumented protective functions. But it's also important not to duplicate that information unnecessarily. Managing the documents that are referenced by a safety instrumented system study is done in the document list. You can access the document list by clicking on the View button and selecting Documents out of the drop-down menu. When you do this, you're going to come to a document list as you would see here. The document list includes several things, including a drawing number or a short description, revision, a document type, a description of the document, and a hyperlink. Now, the hyperlink is an important and useful feature to minimize duplication. Most process plants are going to have a document management system, an external database where a lot of documents are stored, not just safety instrumented system documentation, but all manner of process documentation. So there's no need to replicate that information multiple different times, but it is important to be able to access it. So in this case, you'll see that each one of the documents that you see here has a link. In this case, it's to a OneDrive account that contains the actual file. So if you wanted to, for instance, view the high pressure separator, you could simply go over to the document link category and click on the link. It's going to then open up a new web browser page and display the information using the external document management system as the basis of the data instead of replicating it. So you see here, I was able to show the process flow diagram of the high pressure separator, or the piping and instrumentation diagram, directly from the external document management system without having to replicate it in Vertigo. So that's an important way to prevent multiple versions of the same documentation and having to do things multiple times. If I wanted to add a new document, I would click the Add New Document button, or you can click on any one of the documents in terms of the hyperlink to bring it up, and then you would go into the Document Details dialog to make modifications. Drawing numbers and revisions are simple text boxes, as is the description page, or the description field. The document type is a drop-down menu which allows you to select a variety of different types of documents, and the document type is used in other portions of the application to allow you to sort and look for different things when you're using the document list in different ways in different sections of Vertigo. And then I have already mentioned the hyperlink page and the power that that conveys in interacting with external document management systems.